So today, we'll be solving this problem using the AM-GM inequality. So this solution will show you a creative way to use the AM-GM inequality in math problems. So the question states that x and y are real positive numbers with x plus 2y equals 1. Then find the minimum value of 1 over x plus 1 over y. So how are we going to use the AM-GM inequality to find the minimum value of 1 over x plus 1 over y? As I stated before in the previous video introducing the AM-GM inequality, the AM-GM inequality is typically used in problems that ask for the minimum or maximum value of a certain unknown because it's an inequality. This rule shows an expression that is an inequality. So we use it in problems that ask for the maximum or minimum value of some unknown values. So let's first multiply this expression with this expression. So 1 over x plus 1 over y times x plus 2y. So the question states that x plus 2y is equal to 1. So 1 over x plus 1 over y times 1 is equal to just 1 over x plus 1 over y. But this time, let's not consider that x plus 2y is equal to 1, and let's just expand the brackets. So 1 over x times x is 1. This multiplies together is x over y. 2y times 1 over x is 2y over x plus 2y times 1 over y is 2. And this simplifies to 3 plus x over y plus 2y over x. Sweet. So this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. So these two expressions are the same. So let's write that here. 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 3 plus x over y plus 2y over x. So these two expressions equal the same value. So the minimum value of this will be the same as the minimum value of this. So instead of finding the minimum value of this, let's find the minimum value of 3 plus x over y plus 2y over x. And we can easily find that using the AM-GM inequality, as you will later see. So as you see here, 3 is a constant. So this expression will be at its minimum value when x and y have certain values that make x over y plus 2y over x be at its minimum value. So we have to find the minimum value of this expression to find the minimum value of this entire expression. So we have to look for the minimum value. The minimum value of x over y plus 2y over x. So let's use the AM-GM inequality now. So the AM-GM inequality states that if we have two non-negative real numbers, a1 and a2, then the arithmetic mean, a1 plus a2 over 2, is larger than or equal to the geometric mean, the square root of ab. A1 times a2. So let's multiply 2 on both sides. Larger than or equal to a1 times a2. And there's a 2 here. So we can see here that this equation, this shows a value that a1 plus a2 is larger than or equal to, or the minimum value of a1 plus a2. So why don't we put a1 and a2 as x over y and 2y over x to find the minimum value of their sum, x over y plus 2y over x, which is what we're looking for. Also, we can also see that x over y and 2y over x we can also see that when x over y and 2y over x are multiplied together, the x's and y's cancel out. So it gives us a constant. So this part will have no unknowns, which is good. So let's put a1 as x over y and a2 as 2y over x. So x over y plus 2y over x is larger than or equal to 2 times the square root of x over y times 2y. I'll rewrite that. 2y over x. So as I said before, these x's cancel out and these y's cancel out, leaving us with 2 root 2. So we found the minimum value of x over y plus 2y over x, which is 2 root 2. Now we need to find the minimum value of this. So we just add, which is 3 plus x over y plus 2y over x. So let's add 3 to both sides. So we got this here, and this side will be 2 root 2 plus 3. And we know that this is equal to this, so this will be 1 over x plus 1 over y, and which is larger than or equal to 2 root 2 plus 3. So the minimum value of 1 over x plus 1 over y is 2 root 2 plus 3. And that is our answer.